Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gojo Jump Showdown. This exciting game challenges your reflexes and precision. We'll start by covering the fundamental controls and objectives, ensuring you have a solid foundation. Then, we'll dive into mastering your jumps and movements, which are crucial for navigating the dynamic arenas. By the end, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to start your journey to becoming a top player. Ready to face any challenge, the game throws your way. Mastering your movement is key to dominating Gojo Jump Showdown. Focus on precise control to position your character effectively, whether you're dodging incoming attacks or lining up for a perfect jump. Practice executing both single and double jumps, understanding their different heights and distances. Timing is everything. A well-timed jump can help you clear obstacles and avoid hazards with ease. Consistent practice will make these movements feel natural, giving you a significant edge in every match. Once you've got the basics down, it's time to explore advanced techniques and power-ups. Keep an eye out for special abilities that can give you a temporary boost or a strategic advantage over your opponents. Learning when and how to deploy these power-ups can turn the tide of a match. Don't be afraid to experiment with more complex maneuvers, like quick air dashes or strategic wall bounces, if they are available. These skills will elevate your gameplay to the next level. To truly excel in Gojo Jump Showdown, consistent practice is your best friend. Dedicate time to honing your reaction speed and jump timing. Pay close attention to your opponent's patterns. Anticipating their moves can give you a crucial advantage. Don't be afraid to try out different strategies and approaches to find what truly clicks with your playstyle. Remember, every jump and dodge brings you closer to mastery. Keep playing, keep learning, and most importantly, have fun on your journey to becoming a champion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.